Hey guys, it's Brooke from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So I have one raised bed that's 4x8. I'm gonna have to build some more, but before I do that, I really need to take stock of how many plants I actually have. So this is what I have in the house. I've got more in the greenhouse. So I need to take account of all of the onions, strawberries, and that sort of thing that I have, because that'll tell me, since I'm doing square foot gardening. That'll tell me how many things I need to get. So let me flip this around right quick. Okay, so I have, let's see, with onions on the inside, I've got these two trays, so there are 12 onions. I'm gonna write this down. I've got like dog treats everywhere. So inside, let's see, I've got 12 onions. And then, let's see, these right here are broccoli. And do I have another tray somewhere? Yes, there are some over here too. Okay, so inside we got 12 broccoli. And then, let's see, I got some green beret spinach. I've got 6 here. And let's see. Okay, looks like I've only got 6 in here. So I got 6 spinach. And then I've got lettuce. Now, let me look at it, because in square foot gardening, there's a difference between leaf lettuce and head lettuce. And because head lettuce, it's less per square foot. Let's see. So this looks like head lettuce. So that's Buttercrunch Bib lettuce and Bambi, and that also looks like head lettuce. So I've got 12 of those in here. So I'll notate as 12 lettuce head. Okay, then I've got strawberries. So let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I've got 10 strawberry. 10 strawberry. Okay. So the pooch is finally eating his breakfast. So once he finishes doing that, we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna count the vegetables I have in there, and that'll tell me how many raised beds I need for what I have currently, and then I'll be, slowly adding more beds. Okay guys, so I added everything up, and this is all the plants I have now, and I kind of totaled everything. And I just remembered that I actually have things like garlic bulbs that I got plant and onion sets. So I think, like, for example, the set of onions is like 100 in a set. So I forgot about all those and calculating it. So I kind of made my scratch notes over here in terms of how many squares I need. So when I add it all up, I'm going to need 12 squares for broccoli, because broccoli is 1 per square foot. Then I gotta need 10 squares for garlic, 16 squares for strawberry. For scallions, I'm gonna need 1 square, leeks 1 square. Actually, you know what? I probably could put these in the same, do it in one. And then for leaf lettuce, I'm gonna need 3 squares. For head lettuce, I'll need 6 squares. And I have no idea what the second square thing is. I'll figure it out. And then for onions, I'm going to need 13 squares. For spinach, I'm going to need 2. For peas, I'm going to need 2. And let me look at this, because I may have, maybe this peas, I think I think I added peas twice. So I think I can take that out. So this is just to do what I have now. Okay, so if I cross this off right here, because I've already got that, and I make 1 right here, let me add this up again. Because when I added it up, it's 68 squares, and my beds are 4x32, so I would need over 2 beds. Okay, so now that I've corrected my math, let's see, 12, 22, 38, 39, 42, 48, 50, 63, 65. So 65. Still I'm 1 square over, but I can pack tight here if I have to. So if I get another bed, let's see. Yeah, I mean I'm gonna add 3. It's just how much. It's just how many I want to do right now at this point. So actually, let me call the garden center. So right now I